Read the question once again. A boat has to cross river. It crosses the river by making angle 60 degrees with the bank of river due to the stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meter to reach another side of the river. What is the width of the river? First, the boat is here and this is the one end of the river. We can travel through the stream. This is the another end of the river and it has some distance. It is also some width and distance also. Where the observer, where the boat is standing in one side through that horizontal line, okay, makes an angle 60 degrees, but the boat can travel through due to the stream of the river only. The stream where the direction will go, then the boat is easy to move towards that direction only. So here it is moving from one side to another side. The distance is 600 meters. Okay, where we can start the boat with the horizontal line, then we can measure the distance between the horizontal line to that making angle 60 degrees to another end of the river, that is the width of the river. So here we can take distance between two sides is 600 meter. That is nothing but river from one side to another side, the distance is 600 meter. And we can take river width is x meter. The angle 60 meter makes due to stream. That is nothing but we can take the width of the river is AB, length of the river is suppose BC, then AC is the horizontal line, means the angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. Here from this figure, the 600 meter is hypotenuse, width is opposite side, angle is 60 degrees. So which ratio is related here? Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. From this, sine 60 equal to 600 meters by x meters. No, opposite side is x meters by 600 meters. So here sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 equal to x meter by 600. From this, x is equal to root 3 into 600 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 300s are. So x equal to 300 root 3 meter. This is equal to width of river. Okay. This is the width of river. Just be concentrate how to imagine the diagram and how to take the distance as hypotenuse and width as opposite. Okay. Ninth question. An observer of height 1.8 meters. That is nothing but it is the observer. This is 1.8 meter. Is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. It is palm tree. The observer away from the palm tree is 13.2. This is the 13.2 meters from the foot of the tree to observer. Foot of the observer. Next, the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes. Suppose we are taking his eyes is here. Then we can take the angle of elevation 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? What is this? H equal to how much? Okay. Here we can take AB is the height of the observer. CD is the palm tree. and we can draw horizontal line with the eyes of the observer to that middle of the any point of the palm tree. Then it is nothing but we can take E. Okay. Here first from the given data we can write up an observer height equal to 1.8 meter. Next, distance between tree to observer equal to 13.2 meters, and the angle of elevation of the top of tree from his eyes equal to 45 degrees. Next, height of the palm tree equal to h meter. So here, how much distance from A to C? The same distance from B to E also. But it is deducted, 1.8 is deducted from the height. If you can take this is h, the total palm tree height is 1.8 meters. We can take here angle of DBE is equal to 45 degrees and BE length is equal to 13.2 meters only, and the DE is equal to, we can take h minus 1.8 meter. Now we can, here we can find out the opposite side, we know the adjacent side and 45 degrees. So the relation of tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent if for tan ratio only. So from this, in the place of theta, we can apply 45 degrees and we can find out the h minus 1.8 by, that is 13.2 meters. We know that tan 45 is 1 is equal to h minus 1.8 to 13.2. H is equal to, or h minus 1.8 is equal to 13.2. H equal to 13.2 plus 1.8 equal to 15 meter. Therefore, palm tree height equal to 15 meter. Directly we can get here. Okay. This is the way. If we can take total h, then it is equal to h minus 1.8 meter. Okay. This is the last problem in the 12.1 exercise. The adjacent figure AC equal to 6 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter and BAC equal to 30 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. If this triangle is ABC at angle A 30 degrees, AB length is 5 centimeter, AC length is 6 centimeter. We know the area of the triangle is, the area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay, this is the area of the triangle. But here, when we can take base is equal to AC, suppose AC equal to base equal to 6 centimeter, then we can find out the height. That height is perpendicular distance from B to that AC base. It is 90 degrees. we can find out what is the height of this perpendicular distance from B to AC is at D point. So first we can find out the BD equal to how much, and from the figure AB is equal to 5 centimeter and the angle A equal to 30 degrees. When we can draw the perpendicular distance from B point to AC base at point D, it makes the right angle triangle. So here BD is nothing but height of the triangle. Okay. We know that from the right angle triangle, we can take sine 30 degrees is equal to, let it be some h by 5 centimeter. That is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. When it is the right angle triangle, then this is the height, it is the hypotenuse 5 centimeter and this is the 30 degrees. Here we know the base, but it is the some part of the base only there in the right angle triangle. So we can use the hypotenuse value and the angle value. But we can find out the opposite, means opposite and hypotenuse is related with the ratio of sine. So we can take here sine 30 degrees equal to h by 5 centimeter. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2 equal to h by 5 centimeter. From this, h equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2.5 centimeter. And we know the base value, that base equal to AC, and we get the height value from the, draw the perpendicular distance from point B to AC horizontal line at D point. From that we get the height of the triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is AC, that is 6 centimeter into 2.5. 2 ones are 2 threes are. It is equal to 3 fives are 15. 1 is carry, 6 plus 1 7, 7.5 centimeters square. It is the area of the triangle.